Hello everyone, this is Crystal and Delbert from tidbitsofexperience.com, and we are doing the unboxing video. And how do you feel that this is your last unboxing video for the Brick Builders Club membership? How does that make you feel? Tell them.
Kind of sad.
Why does it make you sad?
Because I like them.
You like the Brick Builders? Hold that up. Let me show them. What's usually in those bags?
Little kind of Legos.
Little Legos? Let's show them. Shall we? Can we do that this time? Let's see if this is our last time. Hold them out. They're little Legos. You ain't kidding. Alright, these are really, really little Legos. I'll hold your hand up just a little higher. There you go. I'll put them back in there.
Give my hands.
There you go. Okay. And then, of course, whoa. Stop. Where did we go? Alright. This month's brick swag brick is gray. You got a white one. Last one was red, right?
No. First one was red. Second one's white. Now the last one's gray.
Last one's gray. Okay. And last month, the shirt looked weird. But this month, you can actually tell it looks like something. I'm going the wrong way. It's like a pirate. Okay?
Oh, my.
And what is that? Uh-oh. Hold it up. You got to hold it up higher. There you go. He's got his own pirate flag. Okay, and then of course you have your collector's cards again, adding more to the collection. This time you got Crow's Nest Carrie, Scurvy Sally, Mr. Coconut, Lieutenant Daniels, and Captain Beard. Little collector's cards. Okay. Then of course you got another poster.
I want to unfold it now.
Hold it up. Alright, come this way. There you go. Alright. Then, our contest says Lego on Tour. Brickfest Live. They're going to be in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Our last unboxing video for the Brick Builders Club, unless we get fortunate enough to get more to review. Wouldn't that be nice?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, well thank you for tuning in. Again, this is Crystal and Delbert from tidbitsofexperience.com. Have a great day.